Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Notebooklm Plus and signing in. Make sure you use the account tied to your license. Once done, upload 1-3 core documents immediately so the model has context, then create a named notebook for this project. You should set language and project scope now, because those settings shape retrieval and summarization. Next, add tags and a brief project note to guide later queries. This reduces noise and speeds up early interactions with the model. You ingest more materials, then refine them. Highlight important paragraphs and add annotations that state intent, because the assistant uses those markers to prioritize. Once annotated, run a targeted query, ask for a concise summary, an outline, or a list of action items. After you get output, iterate. Probe any vague parts with follow-up prompts and ask for sources inside the notebook so you can verify. Make sure to lock or snapshot the working draft before major edits to preserve a rollback point. You finalize by exporting the cleaned outline or report to PDF or Google Docs and adjusting formatting for your audience. Share with collaborators using permission controls. Once exported, confirm links and citations inside the notebook so recipients can validate sources. If the model produces incorrect or incomplete answers, first tighten context, upload missing docs or re-annotate key passages, then rerun queries. As a last resort, reset the notebook memory, re-ingest the core files, and rerun the initial prompts to rebuild context.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.